The chain leader company of Shanxi's carbon-based new materials industry chain, SY Carbon, seizes the opportunity to create a new track for developing carbon-based new materials. ShanXi actively builds service platforms, develops new cross-border e-commerce formats, explores international markets, and expands the circle of friends of foreign trade. Datong Bronzeware enjoys a long history and exquisite craftsmanship. Today, the glory reappeared in the ingenious inheritance of generations of craftsmen. Hello and welcome to Exploring Shanxi. I'm Zhang Yinyi. SY Carbon is the chain leader enterprise in Shanxi's carbon-based new materials industry chain. Today, we start from their new production line to see how it develops new quality productive forces according to local conditions and seizes the new development track of new carbon-based materials.
这里是朔州山西三元碳素有限责任公司的生产车间，在我身后这个黑色的庞然大物就是我们的碳基新材料特种石墨。
Special graphite is the crown of the large family of carbon-based materials with excellent characteristics such as high temperature resistance, ablation resistance, high thermal conductivity, and high electrical conductivity. Since 2014, SY Carbon has begun technical research. As the person in charge of the project, Li Ying conducted countless numeral calculations and experimental verifications to confirm a parameter. Each drawing embodies the persistence and efforts of the scientific research team.
After countless days and nights of unremitting efforts, R&D and innovation, the entire industry chain has been independently controllable, and a unique short process technology has been fully implemented.
In October last year, the trial production of special graphite from SY Carbon was successful, and intelligence and zero emissions have also become highlights. Now the company's 10,000-ton production line of special graphite has been completed, and the annual output value after the line is put into production can reach 400 million yuan, or about $55 million. SY Carbon is using technological innovation to empower new quality productive forces. SY Carbon continues to promote the development of short process, low-cost, high-quality carbon-based materials. Some series of products and equipment technologies have already moved out of the laboratory and are ready for pilot and industrial application. SY Carbon continues to strengthen the collaboration of the industrial chain, helping the linked growth of upstream and downstream enterprises, and promoting the entire industrial chain of carbon-based new materials to become stronger, better, and bigger.
We must seize the current strong demand in 100 billion yuan markets such as silicon carbon negative electrode material and carbon-carbon composite materials, and make greater contributions to the province's promotion of the revitalization and upgrading of the manufacturing industry and the realization of new industrialization.
Foreign trade and export is an important engine for economic growth. Various regions in Shanxi are actively building service platforms, developing new cross-border e-commerce formats, exploring international markets, and expanding the foreign trade circle of friends.
这里是新州静乐县的一家藜麦加工企业，在我身后呢，来自新州海关的工作人员正在就企业产品出口工作流程上门为企业进行业务指导。
According to the import and export food safety management measures, enterprises need to establish a full process safety protection system from source to finished product.
As the leading quinoa processing enterprise in Jinle County, the hometown of quinoa in China, its quinoa flour has just been exported to France, marking the first time that quinoa flour from Shanxi has been exported.
The customs personnel came to provide business guidance in a timely manner, enabling us to be familiar with the procedures for foreign trade exports as soon as possible and lay a solid foundation for the development of foreign trade export business.
In order to help more premium products go abroad and promote a stable development of foreign trade companies, Xinzhou City actively built a service platform integrating the government, bank, and enterprises in 2023 to develop new cross-border e-commerce formats. At Bocheng Vegetable Company Limited in Tianjin County, Datong City, workers are speeding up the sorting and selection of dehydrated tomatoes to rush to make orders for export to Brazil.
In the next step, we will export more of the city's premium agricultural products overseas and strive to be the vanguard of foreign trade.
Tianjin County has adjusted and optimized the agricultural industry structure, vigorously developed the green pollution-free vegetable industry, promoted standardized planting models, and relied on daylily, minor green crops, dehydrated vegetables, etc., to provide quality guarantees for more vegetables to enter the international market smoothly.
Datong is one of the 10 Asian capitals in China. Datong bronzeware has a long history, exquisite craftsmanship, beautiful presentation, and long-standing reputation. Today, Datong bronzeware's glory reappears in the ingenious inheritance of generations of craftsmen.
炉火冲霄汉，锤神震乾坤。我叫李旭东，国家级非物质文化遗产大同铜器制作技艺代表性传承人。我从小就受父亲的感染，而且现在父亲是国家级传承人，年事已高，所以现在我们需要付出更多的努力。大同铜器历史悠久，源远流长。 在元朝的时候，因为战争的需要，发明了火锅，当时叫火板或者是暖锅。明末清初，因为已经是和平年代了，好多这个匠人都转为铜匠或者银匠，他们在从事一些民用品的生产和皇家器皿的生产。1973年，周恩来总理陪同法国总统蓬皮杜先生来大同访问，咱们大同的九龙风月火锅作为国礼。 赠送给贵宾。从此以后，大同铜器、大同铜火锅也走上了世界的舞台。大同铜火锅在锅身、锅盖和底盘、底座上面都有精美的纹饰图案，人们不光喜欢它的实用价值，更尤为喜欢它的艺术欣赏价值。大同铜器的制作，它主要以熔铜、锻打、 雕钻、成型、抛光，最主要的体现在设计和雕钻。通过国家、省里面和市里面的政府大力支持，我们现在已经把大同铜器作为一个地域的品牌、地域的一个名片，所以我们必须得把它传承好，把它发展好。 在我们努力做好传承和保护这门手艺的过程中，同时也希望千百年后，叮叮当当的金属敲击声在古都上空回荡。
That's all for today's Exploring Shanxi.